Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos and I am here to do another video in which I'm going to be playing with this pour. I wasn't too thrilled with the way this one came out and I want to kind of do an ocean theme here, maybe some crashing waves. I feel like it lends itself to that. It's not a total fail. Like, I do like it, I just don't love it yet. So I'm gonna share with you the actual pouring of this one, and then we'll move into some of the alterations I'm going to do. It has glitter, so that's kind of exciting. I don't know if you can see that. And it almost has like this sea foam thing going on here, so I'm probably going to leave this and add in some crashing waves here. I might even add some sand to it. I don't know yet. I tried to add some of that crashing wave thing and the paint was wet still, so I ended up pulling up some of the paint. So there's a boo-boo there, and I'm going to, paint over that and hopefully it'll fix it. I wanted to share a couple of other things before I begin. We have this one. The previous video was of this girl, and she has quite a few little spots that I need to fix. Some pits. What happens is when you use either silicone or dimethicone, I used the dimethicone in this one, you clean it and you clean it as best you can and you keep trying to clean it, and sometimes, you know what, it always happens to me. So if you have a solution for this, I know some people use Dawn dish soap, some people clean it with alcohol. That's what I do. I cleaned it several times with alcohol and I still had some resist going on. So I'm going to sand this a little bit, not too much, because I have these 2D elements here and I have to be really careful that I don't scratch them. Like her hair is still kind of popping out here. So I'm just going to lightly sand this and do another resin pour over it. And then it should be ready to go to its new home, wherever that is. So this one is available. And this one is also available. I love it so very much. It is so beautiful. It's called Turquoise Dreams. The finish on this is so smooth. I just love this formula where I use the PVA glue and the pouring medium and some gloss medium and some water, and it just does this nice sheen on its own, and it's very smooth, which I love. Not crinkly, and I don't get crazy with this formula. So anyway, did I say I love it? Yep. Anyway, I love this one and it is available. It's called Turquoise Dreams. And then there's one more thing I wanted to show you. This is a resin piece I bought from Artist Till Death. I'm a big fan of theirs. I don't know if you can tell. I mentioned them in a previous video. I love them. They're so much fun to watch, and I've learned so much about resin painting from them, and I love their paintings. How gorgeous is that? So if you see something of theirs that you like, just contact them because they have quite a few pieces for sale, and they're all as beautiful as this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Would love to hear from you. And if you like my videos in general, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to make sure that YouTube notifies you when I post a new video. I'm trying to do at least 1 to 2 new videos a week, if not more, and I really enjoy taking the pores to another level, especially when the pour itself is not so great. I like using it as a background. So I'll probably be doing a lot more of those. I can't wait to do another face on a pour. That's one of the things I have planned, as well as other things that might pop up right in the pour. Sometimes you see something in there that lends itself to that particular subject. Again, thank you so much. I really try to put as much of myself into my videos, and I work hard at creating something that might be meaningful or beneficial to you all. So let me know if it is. Okay, happy painting.